Okay, this is a bone we just found. We are going to post it when we get back and have Wi-Fi. We're going to probably go the way we came because we actually know where that leads. It might lead to his uncles and aunts.
And they're kind of uptight about us doing this, so we aren't going to go that way.
Yeah, they just don't want us to really die, you know?
Yeah.
Most parents don't want you to. Oh, what the heck? It's like, oh, this is a poisonous mushroom. I've learned about this in Boy Scouts.
We have to show Mr. Tesh these videos.
Yeah. Our science teacher is Mr. Tesh. I'm not going to give out his information because that's creepy and he might not like that.
Oh crap, I got burrs on my jacket.
Yeah, I have so much burrs on my, oh crap. We are just going to go back out the way we came. I'm sorry for the guys that watched our first video, but this is steep. Like you can't, I know you probably can't see, but it's steep, I promise. And this is the tire we found. It's literally holding up this rock. So we're not gonna dilly-dally with it. And yeah, I'm gonna wait for him to get up before I keep walking.
Yeah.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go up this a little ways.
Yeah, we can always just cut across over.
Yeah, we might take this way. It's just like, these rocks are kind of sketchy. Ow! Sorry.
This way is definitely a lot easier.
Oh, sweet guys, there's like moss in these cracks, but look at all these layers.
Oh my God.
This reminds me of my South Dakota trip.
Oh, it reminds me of my backyard, because it is.
Like,
oh, there's like another main cave. If you guys didn't watch our first video, you should definitely go check it out because we found a cave in it and it was really cool. Hey Matt, this piece is loose.
yeah, this is literally just all layers.
Yeah, it would be cool to watch water going down this.
Yeah.
Don't slip, it's kind of fun.
Yeah, just like, can you catch good?
Yeah. Okay, sorry about that finger view there. Matthew kind of had to use both hands to climb up this.
It's literally mossy, so I just don't want to slip. You want to videotape for a little?
I can if you want.
Okay.
Okay guys, I'm filming. He's gonna lead because he's got all of his hands. There's a close-up view on some roots, most likely grass roots.
This is a little weird, so be careful. Oh, come right on this rock.
Oh,
That's a view.
Guys, you know that cornfield that we showed you that was being harvested in our first video? It's literally right down there.
Like, we can almost, like, just walk through it.
We could if we really wanted to.
Okay, videotape me doing this.
I am.
Okay.
I wouldn't really trust that log. It looks really rotted out.
Yeah, I know. I might not do it. Here's some mushrooms. I want to give it a shot. If I fall, you can set down my phone. I don't care. Obviously. You got my help. Oh, okay. You want me to hold it for a while so you can get up, or are you good?
I can make it up. But.
Okay. He's gonna try. I just don't want anyone to slip and tumble all the way down this. Yeah, I think we're gonna go.
Oh, I know where this pops out. Actually, we can go up this way.
Okay.
It actually goes out right in my uncle and aunt's backyard.
Here's another one over there where it fills up again and just goes.
Yeah, it's like another little pond area, right there.
Oh, I found an old corn. Okay, just wait. I might fall. Here, do you wanna?
I can make it.
Can you make it? Let's try not to crack my
There. I already made it up. I just kind of ran up.
I don't know what this
Oh, geez, my foot just slipped.
I hope it doesn't hurt me. For those people that know plants, you can write in the comments if you really want. Don't tear them.
Here's our view.
My leader's been trying to find forever. What? Wait, no, that's just birch. Never mind, but it's right. Okay.
You want to film now?
Yeah, just wait. Sorry if you had to see my face. My camera's getting dirty.
But do you want me to film or are you?
You want to? It doesn't matter to me.
Well, it's your video.
Okay, well, I'll keep videotaping.
Oh man, there's a lot of leaves back here.
Yeah.
It's not really the best either because leaves are slippery. and
Yeah.
you don't really get good grip. But right there is pretty level. Yeah.
Oh, cool. This looks like the cross, kind of.
Yeah, Matt, look.
And there's
It's
like spiders in
It's
it.
like ground hair, look.
Yeah, that's cool. We're not going up the same way as the one, like, that's just going straight up as how we went down.
Hey, look.
Oh, sweet. Sorry for that weird noise. It's just a cool log that's tipped over and has a hole through it. It's kind of fun hiking back
Hey,
here.
we're almost up.
Yeah, we're almost up.
This way was a lot shorter. Like, I already see clearing right up there.
Yeah,
To the
same.
left a little bit.
It's a little over there. Oh gosh.
Kind of like what we snowed there and ran up.
Yeah. We'll be quiet. I know I didn't really. I said that in the first video a couple times, but we never really did. But
Okay, I won't really trust this that much.
I'm
I'm trying to make it up. Like, all this is slippery.
Oh gosh. That's not good. So let's just be quiet now,
Okay.
so they can just take it all in.
There's a deer trail.
Deal trail. Sorry, but it's just so awesome for us too. So,
Okay, here. There's like a little piece of white.
I don't know if you guys see anything, but there
It's
is.
tough if you dropped your phone.
If I drop my phone down there,
Yeah.
so,
And that.
yeah.
See what happens. Oh, it got stopped.
Okay. We're not good at being quiet if you can't tell.
Split here, and we want to take the left way.
Okay, looks way more weedy and dangerous, so we're taking the left way, or it's almost
And
just
this is
walking.
the way that actually goes up to where we need to go.
Okay, this one, if you can't tell, it's literally, I can put my legs out and I'm already like stretched across, so it is a different one. I'm not lying. Oh, mossy, slippery. It's honestly kind of hot out right now.
Yeah, I'm like sweating. Hey, I found an acorn.
Nice.
We're almost to my cousin's house.
This is. We went down a lot more farther than it looks. I don't know really how it looks yet, but I'm guessing we did. Here's some cool things.
Matthew, look. Now the top's on. Yeah.
Oh, sweet. This way. Okay, I found that in the tree.
Yeah, look. But magic trick. The top's on. The top's off.
Yeah. Look
Hey,
at
that
this.
leads to our four-wheeler trail if you want to cut right up there.
We're not gonna take this way, mainly because, well, just look. And we're just gonna take the way that leads right back to the four-wheeler trail, somewhat. And
Yep.
yeah.
Oh, this is where we had to push that big tree in half for a four-wheeler trail.
Yeah.
This is where we
So-
made like the little bridge.
We basically went all the way up down a bluff through the waterway thingy when it rains.
Yeah,
And-
guys, right here, this is their four-wheeler trail.
Yeah, it just keeps going, and then they go like around the cornfield, and then they're basically at their cousin's. So we're just gonna take like the normal way back.
Oh, I'm
And-
like sweating.
I know, it's actually, hiking makes you actually get some work done. And yeah, we're gonna have a first part of this and a second. Honestly, doesn't really matter when you watch first. It's both pretty awesome.
Yeah.
And we'll see you back at